Listening, Unit 6, page 74D.
There are 6 questions in this part. For each question, there are 3 pictures and a short recording. Circle the correct answer, A, B or C. 1. You hear a girl talking. Which sport does she do?
There are 2 members in each team, and the idea is to hit the ball over the net so that it touches the ground before the other team gets the chance to hit it back. It's great fun and really keeps you fit. I don't like sports with lots of equipment like bats, rackets and helmets, so this is perfect for me. I also love team sports, but I don't like being in a big team like in basketball or football.
2. You hear a coach talking to a basketball team. How does he feel about the team?
You've all played quite well during the last few months, but recently I've noticed a change in your attitude. What's going on, eh? Tell me, I need to know. Look, I saw some good teamwork and the goals were great in the last match, but many of you are looking slow. It's like you don't want to win. So what's the problem? Isn't anybody going to say anything? Harry, you're the captain. What do you think? What am I doing here if you're not going to talk to me?
3. You hear 2 boys talking at a sports match. How do they both feel?
Oh no! I don't believe it. They're coming off the pitch because of rain. We've only seen half an hour's play.
Oh no! Why were we so late?
Well, we didn't know they were going to stop playing at 12 o'clock, did we?
I know. I can't believe it. We're so unlucky. Do you think the rain will stop soon?
I don't think so. Look at those big black clouds.
What a shame. I really wanted to see this match.
4. You hear radio commentary on a cycling race. Which team wins?
Well, this is an incredibly close contest between the British and the American cyclists for first place. For the last kilometre, those 2 teams have been going really well. There's also going to be a fight for third place, though, as the French cyclist and the Italian are both doing well. Back to the first 2, though, and as we head into the final 500 metres, the American is just in front. But no, at the finishing line, it's Great Britain who take first place. They've won it.
5. You hear 2 teenagers talking about their plans for after school. How does the girl feel?
Oh, I've just remembered. It's swimming tonight.
But you said you wanted to come to the cinema with me.
I know, I'm sorry. But I can't miss swimming, can I?
Why not?
Because, well, I like it. It's fun and it keeps me fit.
Yes, but that film you wanted to watch is on.
Oh, that doesn't matter. I hope Mum can take me. Yes, I'm sure she can.
Great. Thanks.
6. You hear an interviewer talking to a tennis player. Where are they?
Helena, how are you feeling after that amazing win?
Right now, I'm really tired, John. But of course, I'm so happy. There's an amazing atmosphere here, and this fantastic crowd helped me all the way through the match. It was very hard, and at times I didn't think I could do it. But this is becoming my lucky place, and the people are great. I'm even enjoying the TV interviews live in front of the crowd.
Well, Helena, congratulations. Now go and get some rest.